Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Hope everyone will be in good mood with their families. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video having great content. We will try our best to show you unique and beautiful crochet bottle covers. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also so that you can find all type of new videos notifications. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video. A crochet bottle cover is a fun and practical project that can offer several benefits. Here are some advantages of using or making a crochet bottle cover. First and the main one is insulation. A crochet cover helps insulate a bottle, keeping cold drinks cool or longer periods and hot drinks warm, depending on the material used. Aesthetic appeal. A crocheted cover adds a personalized and creative touch to everyday items, transforming a simple bottle into a decorative piece. Grip and comfort. It provides a better grip on your bottle, making it easier and more comfortable to hold, especially for glass bottle. Protects the bottle. Prevents scratches, dents and other damages to your bottle, especially if it's glass or metal. Eco-friendly. By crocheting your own cover, you reduce the need for disposable plastic bottle covers, which is more environmentally. Durability. Crochet covers, especially those made from sturdy yarn, can last a long time and be used repeatedly. Customization. You can make your cover in any color, pattern or design you like, allowing you to create a truly unique accessories that match your personal style. Great for gifting. A handmade crochet bottle cover makes a thoughtful and practical gift, perfect for birthdays, housewarming parties, or special occasions. Learning opportunities. Making a crochet bottle cover is a good way to practice and develop crochet skills, whether you are a beginner or more advanced. No need for plastic wrap. A crochet cover can replace single-use plastic or other disposable covers, helping to reduce waste. Lightweight. Crochet bottle covers are typically lightweight and would not add bulk in your bottle, making them easy to carry around. Personalized branding. For business, a crochet bottle cover can be customized with a logo or design for promotional purposes or as unique packing. Child friendly. If you have kids, a crochet bottle cover can be fun and safe as it eliminates the hard, cold surface of a metal or glass bottle, which may otherwise be difficult to them to grip. Keep hands dry. By absorbing sweat from a cold bottle, a crochet cover keeps your hands dry, preventing watermarks on furniture. Promotes crafting. Making a crochet cover encourages creativity and helps foster a sense of accomplishment and pride in crafting. Light on the wallet. Crochet bottle covers are inexpensive to make as yarn is generally affordable and the pattern is simple. Versatility. You can use crochet bottle covers for all kinds of bottles, from water bottle to thermos, flask or wine bottles. With the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique ideas. Keep in touch with our channel. Thank you.